Alright guys, shush your neighbors, shush your neighbors. Got about 2 minutes left on your warm up. Once you're done with your warm up, you can put your head down. Also, when I say describe one physical location, think back to yesterday. Think back to the Coral Sea, Great Barrier Reef, Indian Ocean, things like that. Alright? Got about 2 more minutes.
Wait, is it water?
Physical location?
No, is it taste or sense?
Yeah.
So what are the five last?
It's taste, touch, hear, sight, and smell.
How do you smell an ocean?
You just smell like the water.
You can smell
Smell an ocean? You can smell the ocean.
I smell the
Smell
air.
the scent of the ocean. Ready with that? You good?
I think it's
Can I borrow a pencil? Yeah. There you go. Shush your neighbors. Shush your neighbors. Nobody should be turned around. Nobody should be talking during the warm up. You've got about 1 minute left. I shouldn't hear any murmuring or any chatting. Got about 1 minute left. Everybody should be facing forward. And if you're done, your head should be down. 45 seconds left. Hey,
Is it a thing to like eat turtles?
is it a thing to eat turtles? I've never eaten turtles before.
Apparently
Like cooked turtles?
Yeah.
Not quite sure.
Apparently to the settlers.
I know.
I don't remember where they.
Shush your neighbors. Nobody should be talking right now. Tucker, you should be turned around, my guy. Turn around. All right, got about 10 seconds on the clock. 10 seconds on the clock. Boom. We're gonna. All right. So the work question says, imagine you are exploring different parts of Australia. You're hiking through mountains. You might be snorkeling in the ocean. You might be walking through a desert, or you might be visiting a very famous rock formation. We want you to describe just one physical location you think you would be in, and explain using your 5 senses. All right? And I'm gonna do our random thing today. I'm gonna call on a random person, and that random person is Jet. Is Jet ever say that? All right, talk to us, Jet.
I said, I did the Great Barrier Reef, and I said, the sandy smell, salty clear water, smooth rocks, and crashing over waves in the beach.
Say that last part again. You kind of low.
And crashing over waves into the beach.
Good stuff. Good stuff. I love how you use all your 5 senses and describe them really good. Jet, phone your friend. Phone a friend first.
Henry,
So I would be in the Great Barrier Reef, and I would smell the waves.
Mm-hmm.
I would see the turtles.
Mm-hmm.
I would hear the turtles.
Mm-hmm.
I would taste the salt water,
Mm-hmm.
and I would touch
Touch the what?
the turtles.
Touch the turtles. Okay, got a turtle action going on. I love it. I love it. I love it. Henry, phone your friend.
I'm your friend, I'm your like,
Sounds weird.
my niece.
I'm in the Great Barrier Reef.
Great Barrier Beef.
Yeah, Great Barrier Reef. I look at the bright coral reef. I can smell the crisp ocean breeze. I feel as the fishing rod digs into my skin, there must be a fish in the line. I pull on it. I pull, and up comes a fish. I grab it, and I feel the thingies, scales touching my skin, and then I eat it raw.
Oh yeah,
Because I'm Australian, and it tastes good. Please.
That was great. That was great, Tucker. Tucker, phone.
That was so good.
Phone a girl. Phone a girl. Phone a girl.
Me!
Phone a quiet person. Quiet person. Phone a quiet girl. Quiet girl.
Marianne.
Marianne, talk to us. Where are you at? Where you at?
I'm in the desert.
Okay.
I said I look around at the sandy, snowy sand. I hear nothing except wind breathing, tasting the gray sand back to a gust of wind. I bend down and pick up some sand. It feels like the same. Feels the same as home. That's it.
Good stuff, Marianne. Good stuff. We gonna phone. Let's do phone with our friend.
Please, please, I need this. I don't hold this. Mine too.
Phone a quiet friend. Talk to us.
Too loud.
Shush your neighbors. One person has the floor. Where are you at?
I would want to be at this classy, and I feel like the beach would be really
Nice. So we got the Coral Sea. I heard the Great Victoria Desert, and I heard 3 people said the Great Barrier Reef. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. Great Barrier Beef. All right, guys. Let's head on to what we doing next.
I see a big blackfish.
Who's reading our agenda for today? Jeff. What we doing today? I should only hear Jeff.
Agenda for 2026. Bulletin point warm-up. Bulletin point Australia, video. Bulletin point drag and drop activity. Drag and drop. Bulletin point geography, slideshow, plus notes. Semicolon. Bullet point finish Australia letters. Bullet point Australia math political. Ampersand physical features. It's Tuesday! Exclamation mark. Orange, you excited?
Get it?
Question mark.
Get it?
20-minute relaxing timer, wave emoji, relaxing classroom timer.
Good stuff. All right, guys. So next, we're about to watch a video about Australia. You're gonna take notes as you watch the video. You're gonna use the same paper you use for your warm-up. These are the instructions. As you're watching the video, you're gonna write down facts or information that you find interesting, and then you're also gonna write down information that's in the video that we learned about yesterday. So if you see something in the video that you remember from the lesson yesterday, then you're gonna write it down. Okay? Hold on.
Oh my god, bro. I also know about saving.
Do you?
What do you know about saving?
Y'all ready?
Referred to as the land down under because it's located in the southern hemisphere.
All right, I shouldn't hear nobody talking because everybody needs to lock in and listen so everybody can take notes. Give me a thumbs up if you are ready. Thumbs up if you are ready. I only got like 30% of the class that's ready. Thumbs down. Thumbs down. Hands down. Hands down. Hands down. Give me a thumbs down if you're not ready. You still need time to get what you need. All right, you got 10, 9, 8,
Australia is
7,
often referred
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. It's a 5-minute video.
to as
Let's get it started.
the land down under because it's located in the southern hemisphere. It's a vast and diverse country and will break down its physical features. Deserts. Australia is home to several vast deserts. The Simpson Desert, located in the central part of the country, is known for its stunning red sand dunes. The Great Victoria Desert, one of the largest deserts in the world, covers a substantial portion of Western Australia and South Australia. The Tanami Desert, situated in the Northern Territory in Western Australia, is famous for its remote and arid landscapes. These deserts are characterized by scorching temperatures, minimal rainfall, and unique desert flora and fauna adapted to harsh conditions. Mountains. In the eastern part of Australia, you'll find the Great Dividing Range, which stretches over 3,500 kilometers. It's a series of rugged mountains and hills that run parallel to the coast, defining the country's eastern edge. The highest peak on this range is Mount Kosciuszko, standing at 2,228 meters, making it Australia's tallest mountain. This mountain range influences Australia's climate and provides a variety of ecosystems, from alpine regions to lush rainforests. Plains and plateaus. The Nullarbor Plain, situated in southern Australia, is a striking example of a vast, flat limestone plateau. It stretches for more than 200,000 square kilometers, and its name, Nullarbor, means treeless in Latin. While it might appear barren at first glance, it is home to unique wildlife and features underground cave systems, including the famous Nullarbor Caves. Coastlines. Australia boasts an extensive coastline spanning over 25,000 kilometers, making it one of the world's largest. Along this coastline, you'll find breathtaking beaches, dramatic cliffs, and diverse marine environments. The crown jewel is the Great Barrier Reef, located off the coast of Queensland.
We learned that yesterday.
It's the world's largest coral reef system, featuring a dazzling array of coral formations and marine species, including colorful fish, turtles, and dolphins. Rivers and lakes. The Murray-Darling River system is Australia's longest, winding through southeastern Australia. It's a vital water source for agriculture and ecosystems. Australia also has numerous inland lakes, with Lake Eyre being the largest. Lake Eyre is unique because it's a salt lake, and it occasionally fills with water during periods of heavy rainfall. Rainforests. Australia's northeastern region, particularly in Queensland, is home to lush rainforests like the Daintree rainforest. These rainforests are some of the oldest on Earth and are known for their incredible biodiversity. You'll find unique plant and animal species, including the iconic cassowary and rare tree kangaroo. Islands. Australia is not just one large landmass, it includes several islands. Tasmania, located to the south, is the most significant island and is known for its rugged landscapes, including mountains and forests. Kangaroo Island, off the coast of South Australia, is another notable island with diverse wildlife, including kangaroos and sea lions. To the north, the Torres Strait Islands bridge the gap between Australia and Papua New Guinea, each with its culture and landscapes. Caves. Australia has numerous caves, some of which are famous for their unique geological formations. Jenolan Caves, located in New South Wales, are renowned for their stunning stalactites and stalagmites. These caves also hold cultural significance as they contain ancient Aboriginal rock art. Volcanoes. While Australia is not known for active volcanoes, it does have regions with dormant volcanic features. Victoria's Newer Volcanics province is one such area, boasting extinct volcanoes and unique volcanic landscapes formed millions of years ago. Gorges and canyons. Australia is home to impressive gorges and canyons, each with its unique beauty. Kings Canyon, situated in the Northern Territory, offers breathtaking views and unique rock formations. Carnarvon Gorge, located in Queensland, is renowned for its lush vegetation, Aboriginal rock art, and serene waterholes. Unique wildlife. Australia is renowned for its distinct wildlife, much of which is found nowhere else on Earth. Kangaroos, with their powerful hind legs, and koalas, known for their arboreal lifestyle, are among the most iconic. Wombats, with their burrowing habits, and the elusive platypus, a unique egg-laying mammal, add to Australia's ecological uniqueness. Climate. Australia experiences a wide range of climates due to its vast size. The northern regions have a tropical climate with hot, humid summers and wet seasons. In contrast, the southern areas feature more temperate conditions with distinct seasons. However, Australia is also susceptible to extreme weather events such as bushfires, fueled by hot and dry conditions, and cyclones, which can impact the northern coastal regions. In summary, Australia's physical features encompass a rich tapestry of deserts, mountains, coastlines, rivers, rainforests, islands, caves, volcanic landscapes, gorges, and a unique array of wildlife. Its varied climate zones and susceptibility to extreme weather contribute to its diverse and dynamic natural environment, making Australia a fascinating and distinctive country to explore.
I got it at Walmart.
All right, who can raise their hand and let me know what fact in the video did they go over that we learned yesterday? Who can tell me some facts in the video that we learned about yesterday? Josh, what you know?
The Great Barrier Reef.
They did go over the Great Barrier Reef. Who else? Anthony, what you remember from yesterday? Tasmania. You said Tasmania? Caleb?
The Victoria Desert.
The Great Victoria Desert. Who can raise their hand? Let me know any new facts or anything that stood out in the video. To you. Jeff, talk to us.
So I found it surprising that Australia has
Speak up for us.
Australia has 25,000 kilometers of coastline.
Coastline. Good stuff. Morgan, talk to us.
And there's like
Called what? Platypus is in what? Cool. I see one more hand. Henry, talk to us.
That it is fascinating and distinctive.
Fascinating and distinctive. Good stuff. Trey, talk to us.
The Daintree Forest and Queensbridge.
Good stuff. One more person.
I said like having all those vital like water sources because yesterday we were talking about dead lakes.
All good facts and information about Australia. So that was just our introduction video regarding Australia. Next up, we're going to finish up the slideshow from yesterday. So go ahead and pull out that geography slideshow notes. It should say closed notes on it. Closed notes. Oh wait, actually, I went out of order. So pull out those closed notes. Already have that out on your desk. Pull that out on your desk. And then once you have that out on your desk, open up your laptops and head to Google Classroom. Then click on drag and drop activity. Alright. So all you should have out is your closed notes and your Chromebooks. And then put everything else away. Closed notes and your drag and drop activity. I see a Chromebook that's not even open. I see a few Chromebooks that aren't even open. We're heading to Google Classroom and we're clicking on the drag and drop activity. Do not get started yet. We're going to work on it collectively and corporately. It should be Australia drag and drop. Should see Canada. Tucker, are you on it? Is that it?
This is video too. I was ready for my Australia.
Once you're ready, hold your thumb up for me. Give me a thumbs up once you're ready. Alright, y'all go ahead and get started on the drag and drop. Once you're done, you can put your head down for me. Once you're done, you can go ahead and put your head down. Should that be out? Go ahead and put it out. The only thing on your desk should be your closed notes and your laptops. I shouldn't see any binders or any other papers or any folders. Go ahead and clear those desks off. Clear those desks off. Give about 40 more seconds. Give y'all 40 more seconds if you're still working on the drag and drop. When you're done, close your laptop and put your head down. You got 15 seconds left if you're still working. Who needs more time? Alright, good stuff. Alright, go ahead and check your neighbor's desk and make sure that they only have their laptops and their closed notes out. If they have more than that out, tell your neighbor to clear their desk, put everything up. This is my third time giving the same instructions. Anthony, clear your desk. I'm giving the same instructions for the fifth time. Mary Ann, clear your desk. All right. So we're gonna do what we did a few weeks ago, where like I call on one person, they're gonna come on down, and they're gonna do like the drag and drop activity, and then as a class, we're gonna check and see if their answer is correct. Okay. All right. The first one we got. What we got? Let me see. The first one, drag and drop the map marker on Australia. Who we gonna do? I'm gonna call on a random person. Aaron, come on down. Drag and drop. Up there, yeah. Drag and drop on Australia. Show you when we want to head. Let me see. Click and drop. Is that correct, guys?
Yeah.
Clap it up for her. All right, next stop, we're dragging and we're dropping to the Coral Sea, and I want Brody to come on down. Brody, where are we dragging and dropping?
Yeah. I think it's right here.
Right up in here?
Yeah.
Is that correct, class?
Yeah.
Clap it up for Brody. All right, next up, we got the Great Barrier Reef, and we're gonna call none other than Tucker.
Yeah.
Go ahead down. Where are we dragging and dropping?
Yeah. I would know this well. Right
Uh-huh.
there. The
Right up in, you said here?
Right here. No, that's the
Here?
dividing ring. Yeah. Right there.
Is that correct, class?
yeah.
Clap it up for Tucker. Let's see what we got next. Next up, we got Allura or the Ayers Rock. All right, let me see. I haven't called on this side yet. Who's over here? Ben? Ben over there? Ben? Is Ben here? Drag and drop, the Ayers Rock. Where's the Ayers Rock at? Where we dragging? We dragging. Uh-oh.
Wait, he can do it.
Oh, wait. Try it.
Ben, try and drag it.
Did you do it? Wait. Hey, y'all can do it.
Gosh, Ben.
Wait, you got it. Drag it.
Gosh, Ben.
Aw.
Make it bigger.
He did it. Wait, he just did it.
Make it bigger. Just make it bigger.
There you go, man. You got it.
If you make it bigger, you can drive it.
Okay, wait. I'll make it bigger.
Make it more massive.
Try it again. Try it again.
It's like that Logan fade.
Let me see.
Just like that low striper fade.
Does it move?
Tap it.
Oh, okay. But he got it though. Clap it up for Ben. All right, next we got the Indian Ocean. I'm calling somebody in the middle row. Levi, go on down. Levi. Head on down, Levi.
Got this, Levi.
Delete the marker. Where we going?
The Indian Ocean.
Where we heading? Down here? Over here? It's like both of us are on at the same time. All right, let it go.
Levi, just stop.
There we go.
Stop it, Levi.
Clap it up for who? Levi. All right, next up. All right, Pacific Ocean. This end. Brooklyn, come on down. Where is the Pacific? Where we dragging? Dragging and we're dropping down. Cheers. Is that correct? Clap it up for Brooklyn, gang. Good stuff. All right, next up. The Great Dividing Range.
You ever called them me yet?
It's not called them me.
Addison, head on down. Great Dividing Range. Clap it up for Addison, guys. Middle row, middle row. All right, next up is the Great Victoria Desert, and I want. Where is it? Parker, head on down. Where is the Great Victoria Desert? Clap it up for Parker, y'all. Clap it up for Parker. All right, we're gonna end it right there. We're gonna end it right there. Yeah. Let me see.
Yeah, we should each do.
Now we got him. We got him. All right, we gotta get through the day. Let's see. Shush your neighbors. We gotta get through this agenda. What's next on the agenda, guys? Josh, what we doing?
Game kit.
Game kit. What are we doing, Henry?
We're doing the
Shush your neighbors. I should only hear one person talking.
The geography slideshow. And the
Geography slideshow. Who's interrupting? I'm talking to this, Henry. All right. Geography slideshow. Y'all should already have out your closed notes. Let's finish up this slideshow for today. This is the one we're getting started on, the Ayers Rock. The Ayers Rock, this is a huge red sandstone rock formation that's located at almost the exact center of the continent of Australia, which is pretty cool. It is a monolith, a single large rock that's sticking out of the earth. It's about 1,142 feet high and about 6 miles wide. This Ayers Rock appears like a reddish color because its iron content, it rusts at the surface. So it's full of iron and it rusts at the surface, giving it this reddish color. And I'm gonna show you guys a picture of the Ayers Rock. It's pretty cool. When you're done, you're gonna what? Drop your pencils.
I don't know.
Give me 1 second. Got a question? What's up? Say it again. Because it's like appears, because it's iron that rusts, so it appears like a rusty color, basically. Well, I'll show y'all a picture.
But it doesn't actually rust.
Let me see. All right, we got a map here showing you guys. So this star right here is showing y'all where the Ayers Rock is located, right in the middle of the continent.
Almost. I think it needs to move a little bit too, right?
We're not blurting out answers. We're not blurting out questions. We're not making comments. If you have anything to say, you're raising your hand. All right, and there's a pretty picture right there.
Wow. It's like a big blanket for it.
Really cool. Shush your neighbors. They're still murmuring. I don't understand why. Got another picture for you guys. All right. Zariah, tell us some more about the Ayers Rock, please.
Uluru, also known as the Ayers Rock. The landform is a sacred site for the Aboriginal people who named the rock Uluru. However, a European surveyor visited the rock in 1873 and named it after Sir Henry Ayers, an English government official in South Australia. In 1950, Australia created Uluru-Kata National Park around Ayers Rock.
Good stuff. All right, drop your pencils when you're done. We got a better picture showing you guys the Ayers Rock. It's 6 miles wide, which is pretty cool. All right, next up, just some more pictures of some tourists that are exploring the Ayers Rock. Got like some carvings, maybe from the Aboriginal people who probably carved those images. All right, next up we have the Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is located right between Africa and Australia. It also surrounds the west coast of Australia. The Indian Ocean is the world's 3rd largest ocean after the Pacific and Atlantic. The Pacific is the 1st largest ocean. We got our Atlantic, which is the 2nd largest ocean. And then the Indian Ocean, which is the 3rd largest ocean. When you're done, drop your pencils. All right, and we're almost done with our slideshow. All right, just showing you guys where the Indian Ocean is located. This picture right here. All right, Tucker, tell us some more about the Pacific Ocean.
The Pacific Ocean surrounds the east coast of Australia. It is the world's largest ocean. The Pacific Ocean is so large that it covers more area than all of the land in the world combined.
Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. When you're done, drop your pencils. Ready to move on? Alright, a map showing you guys where the Pacific Ocean is located and where it's located near Australia. And a nice picture of the Pacific Ocean. Alright, we got the Great Dividing Range. Let's see who's gonna tell us about the Great Dividing Range. Josh, talk to us.
The Great Dividing Range is Australia's longest mountain range and stretches 2,300 miles across eastern Australia. The Great Dividing Range divides Australia's eastern coastal region from the inland desert region.
Good stuff, Josh. When you're done, drop those pencils. Alright, about to head on to the next slide. Got a picture here showing y'all the Great Dividing Range right here. A lot of y'all got that correct on your drag and drop. Alright, so most of Eastern Australia's water supply comes from this range because many of the country's rivers, they begin right here in the Great Dividing Range. The range is also a source of valuable natural resources like diamonds, timber, and this helps the Australian economy. Agriculture is also an important activity in this fertile region of the range. So in this range, they have rivers that are flowing, they got natural resources like diamonds and timber, and they also have some very good agriculture. So this Great Dividing Range truly boosts the Australian economy. When you're done, drop those pencils for me. And we're almost done. Got a really pretty picture of a, looks like a river over in the Great Dividing Range. Another picture right here. Alright, who's gonna tell us about the Great Victoria Desert? Great Victoria Desert. Who was it? I think Marianne mentioned it during her no. Let me see. Henry H. Tell us about the Great Victoria Desert.
The Great Victoria Desert is located in southern and western Australia. It is the largest desert in Australia and is home to barren sandhills, dry grasslands, salt lakes, and no rainfall.
Good stuff,
The
good stuff.
desert receives only 8 to 10 inches of rain each year.
Good stuff, good stuff. Drop your pencils once you're done. Go back. It's right there. Everybody should be turned around and face forward. Alright, next slide, next slide. Just a picture right here showing you guys where the Great Victoria Desert is located. Oh, y'all got that correct as well on your drag and drop and on your maps as well. Alright, got some more information about the desert. So the first Europeans to cross the desert named it after British Queen Victoria back in 1875. It's about 160,000 miles long, and it is a protected wilderness area. Very few Australians live here because the land is very, very hot and dry. Most Australians live near, like along the coast. When you're done, drop your pencils. Got some more pictures of the desert for you guys. Alright, and we finished up our slideshow. Alright, we finished that up. Next, if you are still working on your letter from yesterday, raise your hand. Still working on that. Alright, if you got your hand up, you're working on your letter from yesterday. Raise your hand if you finished up that letter. Alright, if you finished up that letter, there is a worksheet at the front of the class. Let me make sure you find the right one. Yeah, right there. Jeff, I want you to pass those out. Raise your hand if you need a paper. Oh, yeah, yeah. For the political features, y'all can look them up if you need help. If you're working on this assignment right here, you can look up the political features. Right there. So right about there you go. Anybody confused? Everybody know what they're working on? Alright. Y'all got about 14 minutes of class time. 14 minutes. For your letter, make sure y'all put your name, date, and your class period. And you're gonna turn it at the front. Turn it at the front.
Blue and red, just the rainbow plus number. This.
Yeah, turn it at the front. And the first period, what's that? First period. I got about 9 minutes of class time.
I